Good morning, QSI Benin Lions. How are you this morning? Today is Friday. Yes, Friday. As part of Virtual Spirit Week, we're asking our families to get together and have our children, students, cook something. Christian hasn't made anything yet. All I have is yogurt, but I'm really waiting for some eggs, and I hope he puts those eggs together for the family. Yesterday, we had some of our families put together some fun memes. Here are just a couple examples. More of them will be in this weekend's bulletin, but here we have Ali's little PSA. Wear a mask before you go anywhere. That's a great little piece that he has over there. And then we have Emma's beer and rabbit. I think those are great, made out of little foodstuffs around the house. And then we have Joel and Jaden's African snowman, made from materials around their home. I think these are all great. These are wonderful. The kids did a great job. And I know there's so many more out there. I saw a lot of them on the PSG website on Facebook, and I've also seen a few of them coming into Mrs. Sedmak and I. And I think these are great memes. I think you did a great job, everybody. I just want to thank everybody for their effort in keeping the community spirits up. And I know that everybody got the message for next week that we will have 4 days of school next week. It'll be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then Friday and the Monday after Easter, the Friday before Easter, the Monday after Easter are off. And that'll be time to kind of relax and get ready for the coming week. You will get a message next week from me early on after speaking with the advisory board on how we will proceed with school after spring break. But I thank you very much for all the efforts that everybody's making with online education. I see amazing things being done. More of our teachers are going on Zoom with their students in order to have live sessions. And I think all of that is going to be helpful towards the educational ends of our students. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and do have a lovely and restful weekend. Best to all of you.